बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पेपर मैथमेटिक्स मॉडल पेपर, लेटेस्ट न्यू मॉडल पेपर, class first year, grade 11, federal board, for the examination of 2026-27 for the academic year 2026 and 27, grade 11, paper mathematics, federal board. Components detail: 48 marks for MCQs and total MCQs 64, and here is the mark for each MCQs. Objective portion almost 18 marks, and section A 30. Subjective portion now we see here is the bubble sheet, and for the objective time 1 hour 40 minutes, marks 48, and here are the bubble sheet. You have to fill 64 question would be there. Now we see the MCQs question of paper mathematics, first year, grade 11, federal board, latest model paper of 2027, 26 and 7. Question number 1 to 7. These are MCQs. 8, 9. Question number 10 to 16. MCQs paper 17 to 22, 23, 24, 29, and then from 30 to 37, 39 to 44. This is the latest model paper of mathematics, grade 11, first year, federal board, Islamabad. Latest paper of 2026 and 27, which is going to be held first time, second annual 2026 and the first annual 2027. These are the just way of presentation of MCQs. So these are the 64 MCQs. After that, there are some short questions, and total marks 52, 1 hour 20 minutes. In section B, 52 marks, 7 questions you have to attempt. Of each question contains 4 marks. Total marks will be 28. These are almost short questions, and these are 7 questions you have to attempt of 28 marks. Each question carries 4 marks. And the last portion of the model paper based on C section, subjective, long questions. So section C contains 24 marks. There would be 3 questions to attempt, and every question contains 8 marks. Total 24 marks for the 3 questions. And this is the last part of the examination paper, section C. Out of 3 questions, 6 questions you have to attempt 3 questions, and total marks 24 for that. Question number 8 and question number 9, they are in front of us. In the end, question number 9 and 10. So dear students, this is a paper of model paper, latest model paper mathematics, first year, grade 11, federal board, 2026-27. All other papers have also been uploaded. You can see the channel. And additionally, Islamiyat 11th and Tarjamatul Quran, Notes have also been uploaded on the channel. You can see over there in English medium and Urdu medium for both. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.